Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
Start by assembling 2 to 4 pounds of bones, 6 to 8 quarts of cold water, and 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. The acid helps extract collagen. Use marrow, knuckle, or joint bones plus 1 to 2 pounds of meaty or soup bones to add flavor and protein. Add 1 onion, 2 carrots, 2 celery stalks, and 1 tablespoon of kosher salt for seasoning. You can add 6 to 8 peppercorns and a bay leaf for aroma. This yields a deep-flavored base, ready for long extraction. Transfer cold water, bones, and vegetables to a large stockpot or slow cooker and slowly bring to a gentle simmer. Avoid rolling boil, which breaks down gelatinization. Maintain a low simmer around 180 degrees F to 205 degrees F and skim the gray foam for the first 30 to 60 minutes for clarity. Then cover slightly and simmer. Simmer beef bones for 12 to 48 hours. Simmer chicken bones for 6 to 12 hours. Use a pressure cooker to reduce times to roughly 2 to 3 hours at high pressure for equivalent extraction. When cooking finishes, strain broth through a fine mesh and discard solids. Cool quickly and refrigerate so the liquid sets into a gel within 3 to 4 hours as collagen turns to gelatin. Remove the solidified fat from the top and optionally reduce the strained broth over medium heat to concentrate collagen. Pour into 1-cup containers for freezing or ice cube trays for single servings. Properly stored. Refrigerated broth keeps 5 days, and frozen broth keeps up to 6 months.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.